How to make Snapchat private account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the top left corner of your screen. After you click on your profile at the top left corner of your screen, here, click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on the gear icon, scroll down in here and click on Contact Me below Privacy Control. After you click on Contact Me, make sure there's tick mark only in Friends. After you do that, go back to the list. In all these lists, now click on View My Story. After you click on View My Story, here also make friends only, or you can custom who can view your story. Now go back and click on See Me and Find Friends and make sure there's no tick mark in here. After you do that, you can go back again and now click on See My Location. After you click on See My Location, turn on Ghost Mode. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to make Snapchat account private. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.